I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get Webflow certification. We'll cover the simple steps to prepare and pass the exam, boosting your design and development skills. This certification validates your expertise in building professional websites using Webflow. It's a fantastic way to showcase your proficiency and open new opportunities in the digital design world. Let's dive into making this process as easy as possible for you. The easiest way to prepare is by thoroughly engaging with Webflow University. This platform offers hundreds of free lessons, tutorials, and guides designed to teach you everything. Focus on the core curriculum, which covers fundamental concepts like the box model, responsive layouts, and basic interactions. Dedicate at least several hours each week to studying and actively building small projects to apply what you learn. Consistent practice is key to mastery. When you feel ready, it's time to take the certification exam. This assessment usually features about 50 multiple-choice questions, testing your knowledge across various Webflow functionalities. You'll typically have around 60 minutes to complete it, so manage your time wisely. A passing score is generally 80% or more, demonstrating a strong grasp of the platform. Review your notes and practice projects before attempting the exam to maximize your chances of success. Achieving Webflow certification opens up exciting new avenues for your career. It serves as a powerful credential, validating your skills to clients and employers alike. You'll gain increased confidence in your ability to tackle complex web projects and deliver exceptional results. Furthermore, becoming certified connects you with a network of skilled professionals, fostering collaboration and learning. This investment in your skills will undoubtedly pay dividends in your professional journey.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.